Alright guys, next topic is how you can insert a logo on your website. So for example, if you want to set up a logo here and you want that logo to be interactive, that means whenever a person clicks on that logo, it should move to the home tab. So this brings us to the question that we already have the home tab in the menu, right? So if you want to remove this home menu right here, just select the menu, just double click here and just click on these three dots and select hide from menu. You don't need to delete this page, otherwise it will remove the home page altogether. So on the home page, what do we have? We have this Hello Mountains title page. So now when we want to insert a logo, we might want to insert some kind of icon for a logo that is suitable. So let's click on this plus elements right here and let's search for it. Let's say I don't know how to search for the logo. What we can do is just go to this search option right here at the top. If you can't find anything, you have the search menu. So just write logo, hit enter, and there you have it guys. You have the custom logos, vector icons, and nature art and all the logo showcase. But let's go to the custom logo, and this is under decorative guys. So let's search for a suitable logo, whatever you like. Let's say that we want this one as a logo. So you can just drag and drop anywhere you want, and then you can change the colors as well. Let's click on design and let's see if we can change the colors. So let's turn it green. Let's make it dark green. All right, something like this. Yeah, this looks nice. Click on apply, close and close. Now we can adjust the size here and put it to the top. Let me just make it smaller so that everything can look proper. Now, here is our logo, just for the sake of example. Now, if we want to insert a text with it, what we would do is just go to the plus elements right here and click on text. And here you can enter basically any kind of title here. So let's say that this one looks nice. I'll just drag and drop here and just change it to, let's say, travel. Just write travel and just make it as small as you can so that it can suit in the logo. Let me just make it smaller, not too small, so that we can easily read that, but you need to reduce the size. And now we can select that and change the color of the text. Let's say I want it to be white. Now this is how it looks. I think it looks great. Now let's see the preview. So guys, this is how it looks, but it is not interactive. It will not move you to the main home page. How can we move to the home page whenever we click on this icon right here? Let's go back to the editor. Now from here, just simply select the text and follow the same method that we have seen earlier as well. What is that method? Just right click on the text and click on edit text. Just select the text. And what is that method? Just select the text, just double click on the text and you will see all of these options right here, and you will use this link option. So where do we want to move that? So if it is within our website, we can mention the main home page, which is, let's say, www.mainpage.com, whatever is our main website link, we will use that. And we don't want it to be opened in the new window. We always want it to be opened in current window. That's it. Let's click on done. Now let's preview. And now, as you can see, it is clickable. When we click on it, it moves to the certain page. So that's how we do it. And that's how we insert the logo in Wix. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.